The control process is a continuous and dynamic process that helps managers to monitor and regulate organizational activities to ensure that they are in alignment with the objectives of the organization. Here are detailed points on the 4 stages of the control process. 1. Establishing standards. The first stage of the control process involves establishing standards or benchmarks against which organizational performance can be measured. Standards can be established for various aspects of organizational performance, such as quality, quantity, cost, time, and customer service. Standards should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART. Standards should be aligned with the organization's objectives, vision, and strategy. Standards can be established through benchmarking, market research, industry best practices, or expert opinions. 2. Measuring performance. The second stage of the control process involves measuring actual performance against the established standards. Performance can be measured through various means, such as observation, feedback, reports, data analysis, and key performance indicators, KPIs. Performance can be measured at different levels, such as individual, team, department, and organization. Performance measurement should be objective, reliable, valid, and timely. Performance measurement should identify deviations from the standards and provide information on the causes and effects of these deviations. 3. Comparing performance with standards. The third stage of the control process involves comparing actual performance with the established standards to identify any deviations or variances. Deviations can be positive or negative, indicating that performance is better or worse than the standards. Variances can be analyzed to identify their causes, such as external factors, internal factors, or a combination of both. Variances can be classified as controllable or uncontrollable, depending on whether they can be influenced by managerial actions. Variances can be prioritized based on their impact on organizational performance and their controllability. 4. Taking corrective action. The fourth stage of the control process involves taking corrective action to address any deviations or variances from the standards. Corrective action can take various forms, such as making changes to processes, systems, structures, policies, or behaviors. Corrective action can be preventive, corrective, or adaptive, depending on the nature and cause of the deviation or variance. Corrective action should be based on a systematic analysis of the situation and should be tailored to the specific circumstances. Corrective action should be communicated to relevant stakeholders and should be monitored and evaluated for effectiveness.